Hi, I'm Golda Velez. I'm one of the co-founders of What's Cookin'. We have an app for neighborhood meal sharing, and we're addressing the problem of social isolation and lack of opportunity in communities and neighborhoods. We have a team all over the world who's committed to this project. We're all working for equity, and we're creating an app called What's Cookin'. And I'm going to introduce you to my co-founder, who's been from the beginning the other half of What's Cookin'.
Hello, my name is Clena Papiano, and I'm a co-founder of What's Cookin'. Why we need this is because communities are socially isolated and disconnected from one another at the highest of our technological age, with an inaccessibility to healthy meals.
Exactly. And if we get this impact grant, we'll be able to pay some of these guys in Bangladesh and Nepal and right here in Tucson. We are located in Arizona. Our company's based in Arizona. We have founders from all over Arizona. And we can actually help people get this finished and get it out the door.